Looking for a fun, engaging way to unite your team while making a positive impact on the environment and your local community? Planet B Foundation is a 501c3 environmental education nonprofit that provides high-quality STEM education to schools across the country with the generous support of our corporate partners. We offer dynamic hands-on workshops that transform your team into champions for the earth and students. Enjoy tasting honey from around the world while learning about the powerful pollinators that create it. Each participant will receive their own flight of raw honey and educational materials. During this dynamic virtual workshop, our knowledgeable instructors will teach your team how to evaluate each variety of honey by color, smell, and taste. Participants will see the world through a bee's eye view and learn how they create this delectable treat. Your team members will be buzzing with excitement to help the bees. Want to bring your team of worker bees together for a unique in-person volunteer opportunity? Hammers will be swinging as hive mates work together to construct native bee houses for some of the world's most important pollinators. Complete with an educational look into the diverse world of native bees and the crucial role they play in our food systems and ecosystems, this premier workshop is perfect for a hands-on team that is ready to take action. Bee houses constructed during these workshops will be placed into STEM kits and donated to students at local schools. All funds raised through these corporate workshops provide schools all across the country with our high-quality standards-based STEM program at no cost in our commitment to social justice. To learn more about how your team can work together to change the world one bee and one student at a time, please contact us at partners@planetb.org or visit planetb.org.